Charlie? Who likes Charlie? We like Charlie. Everybody loves some Charlie. Who's got Charlie? Where is Charlie? There is Charlie. He got everything that you need. He likes to eat food and stuff. But Charlie, he's awesome. Here's the Charlie and Friends show. Do 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 do.
Charlie and Friends was filmed in front of a live audience.
Oh, hi guys. I'm Charlie. And today I'm taking a bubble bath. These bubbles. Oh, it feels so clean.
This is dumb. I'm gonna suck him up.
Hey, what's going on?
What?
Oh, too many bubbles.
Who are you?
Oh, hi. I'm Charlie.
Where's that cheering coming from?
Oh, yeah, I don't know. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
But I got a show to finish. Excuse me. Oh, man.
Okay.
Hi guys. I'm Charlie. And today I got a new parrot from the pet store. And I named him Polly.
I'm Polly.
Oh, you. And it's time for me to feed him. And from what I learned on Google, this is how you feed him. Eat up.
I'm not eating that.
Oh, you. Oh, hi guys. It's me again. I'm giving away my parrot because he doesn't know how to freaking listen. So, where can I sign you at? Be still. Yeah. Now, whoever calls in gets a free parrot.
That's right. Charlie's giving away his stupid parrot. So if you want to win an autographed parrot by Charlie, the one and only Charlie, call this number right now and answer one trivia question and you could be the winner.